Ready to explore the ocean in search of interesting geology, photogenic wildlife, and learn a bit of history along the way? This adventure begins in the coastal town of Paracas, Peru. It is a pleasant little resort town, with plenty of shops and restaurants to indulge your tourist desires. It was here that I was even able to take part in a class on the proper preparations of ceviche, and this stuff was amazing. Now you may think there's not much to do in a tiny coastal town like this, but it is absolutely packed with interesting experiences. In fact, you never know what you may find along the way. For this part of the journey, we will be getting into a boat and traveling about 10 miles out into the Pacific Ocean. The tour takes a couple of hours, but in that time you'll experience an enormous amount of sights. It was along the northern coast of the Paracas Peninsula that we were given a great view of the Candelabra geoglyph. This interesting work of art has puzzled researchers for quite some time. It is considered to be prehistoric, though its exact age remains unknown. Some claim it was created by colonial sailors as a reference mark, while others insist it dates back to the indigenous people's representation of the Mesoamerican world tree. A few more miles northwest of here will have us arriving at the Ballestas Islands, where we will be treated to some amazing rock formations. That's right, this place is a geologist's dream. Unfortunately, we were confined to the boat, but you know what? That was probably for the best. Now don't think it's just rocks out here. This archipelago is actually a national reserve and considered to be somewhat of a marine sanctuary. Wildlife here includes a variety of birds, like the blue-footed booby. Believe it or not, it is said that there are also Humboldt penguins in the area too. I didn't see any of those, but our next location did offer an interesting encounter. Sea lions. This place is called Maternity Beach. It is here that these marine mammals come to give birth. And if you're lucky, you may get to see a population of young pups enjoying the water, while the mothers relax and sunbathe along the rocky shore. Granted the status of UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994, the Ballestas Islands are a great side trip to make while traveling around Peru, especially for all you nature-loving ecotourist types. I actually did this one as part of a day trip from Lima. In fact, you can find many convenient excursions just like this on travel sites such as Expedia. I'd like to thank you all for coming along, and hey, hit those like and subscribe buttons for me. Now get out there on your own, explore the world, and be sure to stay tuned because I have lots of other exciting adventures in the works. Until next time, so long from the Pacific coast of Peru.